vacuum cleaning, sofa set cleaning, asichinga niko bagutuka imiyumu cy'ubusungo nyanjwa hanini gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwo bukorere bwa pick up na bwo delivery asamange bakirisine ase namba 0742178765. Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Jumatano ya bene Sirit Kiriga riechi tariki 25 nimo mutinyo gatano na gatatu na kwariganira sekionga chinsa isano na ibere nkuruko Matilda Obwaiwa kalengi kwa beri kugutwara ritkolire ritoerero na kuba mono mugaseo owo nore omotoerero. Karibu sana me ya Getembe TV tukubwaterana na Makori Wilson kurasinse moye bimanyirio nabo igosangana into aso mutandao Facebook no yo YouTube ekionga emasemo wetera Getembe TV. Uchakane kionga kurase kaunti ya Nyamira hase kenyorokia abokimo nigobono ya mate yo mugaka nere Dickson Mocheche onduko bono yanyare gusaba obokonyi na chinga kecho aseba erere muno mugakoyo niganyare tukubwatira ni wasomo basokano asebono abeire ka komenya no bolema tari konyara gotene na gusatari konyara kokoroka kurasenka yae gento kirire barabo ugotaka wikira sebire biga sebono banyare gusaba oliore no wancha okuya guse omoyobo wancha okuya nyare kubasira elio banyare koyenekeria abana babo banyorere chisemi chiganeire bagusanga negitaseni kega nigo baerere na babiri bagwetera makongo ase matuka mange bono ase bono banyare kuboria ugosira elio koneke abana babo tibaguti gutigara magega mbanyore chisemi
nje na wete korwe kware ngale sana na umiete 2019 na wete korwe kware ya Mombasa ngajanga banka bwena ana rogi ngaso korande gashese njokorigira bana bamwe bararabonse ande kumbe gaje kaba ego sitima tinemechige na kabuko iri na chagitine chinyimbo buna nende na umiete ngajanga tika chinyimbo ande ngaba ngaso akoburi mesigo ebyoko boyi byachu wakali baka nganda ngakore spino sacha ali nechuma mbekero mo mugambi onde bwenzi inyamira bali more mwenzi karanje akiankonye njintagete umugambi onde bwenzi oli ukoyu ankonye njambe kire ntasinkaransteiga botinga sino mwalete uri chana ne nabate timbu ya mono sana nje ninsomete no tato maremu nansomete igo bono nchigendo kero kingo sababa gambi bonspi chebangi kyasi bakongaranzi ganyora sinkaransteiga nyore no nyinkoni no ibitamutamu kugicambwate stock
enkora yane yateremiro mugakona arwarite tuguchukurwana na chinsemo chonsi yasinya batangutikira abana sikundindira achikotori chae tonyore na nubusi tema kurwana no ni school fees esinyapi arubanja motokonya sama bya Yesu oyare kopobya
oyo no mwana mumurumi ntore nsaiga urwarira matuka mange no borema obeiro koremara matuka mange na kare marete mumurumu abaga sirari tangani na Isaka bwatu mumurumu aboyo twatinde getegoro
omwana oyo gabwatu umuchando manene gabwatu omwana uri skuru omwana uri nkorora amenyete isiko kera rituko chibesa chikubura kogendera skuru bono gaki asogwa asomoyo bwogwanja abarai bari mokorigichikura gaki tokonye ase family eye gaki ne omwana uri neranyare ko bagakonyora amasomo aye egera anyore kinde kirache komokonya mambe
ngafiri osengatwara amabera manene sana nkaratigandetera omongwano yegwiricha erinde nere naigwe tari kunonya nyumba no yagosoka korano naso mugaso Igo bererga korwara moiso koro nona mauka ya abimbete nona magora abimbete tari kunya gucoka
cyumurigiriria kiraborokio korwa chinsemo oime yensi ya Kenya bagendete kosoa Asichi College na Bwigochi University oime yensi ya Kenya University ya Kisii nigubono yanyari kwarigania aborokia abagosoa mwako mutangani kwebwatira chikosi wetania chiribu kianda na gukona chingaki cha mariganio ayo nigobono omo nene we university iyo nere mu vice chancellor Professor Nathaniel Gechi anyari kuboria aboroki wabo kubeka chisemi mustari obusio na boiga manganande kubwatia aseboigo anyari gukwanera umuroberi wa serikali gusira aboroki wa ase uwakana gusasu kubakanera ensemo ye school fees engana bono hirache kuguswania umuchando obwefi ase abaibuli na chingaki echo nigobono anyari kuboria aboroki wabo bagosasumwa ko mutangani kigima banyare kwebwata buya elio banyare gotobokia chisemi cyabo asekerengo ikyo kwenyorera amasakarabo usiti certificate cyabo.
You must attend classes. Please attend classes. Of course, shortly you'll be told how to pay your fees. You must also pay your fees. I've told you we have all these things that we are doing. The money comes from you, including this tent. You will shortly be told how to pay your fees. And please apply for that loan when you will be told how it's applied for. Don't just go sauntering around and after 3 years you come to tell us that I'm a backlog student. We'll give you an opportunity to do it. But attend classes. If you think you are rich and you don't want to ask for the government loan, then pay your fees. But the government has said there is a loan they are giving you. You came here for 2 years, 4 years, or 6 years, work hard, complete. If something happens, you are sick, you'll be told on how to apply that you defer your studies. If you lose somebody, you'll be told on how to apply and have that time. Observe all rules and regulations governing students' conduct to the letter. In as much as your freedom, take care of yourselves. And most of us will tell you that in next years, we're talking about time and season for what? For everything. For now, focus on studies. Babies, you'll get them later. Don't worry about that. Avoid those sponsors who will be telling you to live beyond your means. They want to make you look like you are sons and daughters of people that are not your parents. Still note that HIV/AIDS still exists. And at one point, we were ranked number 13 nationally. Kisii area was ranked 13 nationally. So, ensure that you take care of yourself. Cautiously socialize. I know you are here to socialize.
Naho umusubati omutangani nere Mama Rachel Ruto nigubono agenderere gusegeta abangina n'abasubati korwa chinsinyo oime yensi ya Kenya kweneke buna gwebwaterania abale nabo igoso ase byombe bunenchire yemo yokogacha ebitoki elio gusira chamate chabo na kubomono gusira abana babone chi family chabo kaukwana korwa asegeti ya Kisii National Polytechnic ritukurigoro chinga kicho gusira abangina korwa se county ya Kisii. Mama Rachel Ruto boigonigo anyare kubora na abangina bonsi na bengencho na boigoti babasa gochayo na boigokoro kiwabu na tivaiseni engana atevire egenderete koleto muchando na boigochanda ebirengere gose gochanda abangina abange ase birengerero byabo ase ababori bagendere kwetoma na boigokweneke buna gotwara abale chinguru cyo gusira chiamati cyabo.
Niko na ile conviction tena kutaka kusaidia kina mama zaidi na zaidi. Because ninajua kwamba pengine mama alipata bahati mbaya, pengine hakusoma vizuri, ama pengine alilelewa kule mashambani, hakupata nafasi ya kwenda mjini ama hata katika city kama Kisii. Lakini yule mama ambaye ako kule mashinani ni mama na ambaye ako na akili mingi sana. Kila mama ni mama mwakili. Mimi huwa nasema kama mama unaweza kuwa mjamzito, uzae mtoto na ule huyo mtoto akakuwa mkubwa, si wewe ni mtu mwenye kuna akili, mwenye Mungu amebariki. Pengine hata huwezi ongea Kiingereza, pengine hata huwezi ongea Kiswahili, lakini ile kazi ambayo Mungu amekupatia ufanye ni mambo makubwa sana. Bila kina mama hatuna manyumba. Mama ndiye anajenga nyumba yake, si ni kweli? Mama ndiye anatunza bwana yake, si ni kweli? Mama anatunza watoto wake. Kwa hivyo kina mama, mtu asiwahi kukudanganya siku moja akakwambia kwamba wewe ni bure. Wewe sio bure. Wewe ni mtu ambaye unaweza kufanya mambo makubwa sana. Ndio sababu mimi kila wakati nikiona kina mama nataka kuwashika mkono, kuambia kwamba ninaweza.
Omo konyi oyore omurai w'ikiama gia DCP Mwangi Omurigereria Omusikeri Rigathi Gachagua nigo bono agenderere kwa mochia eserikali na kubwa muno ase ukubwatirana ne kiombe gitenerete obuchori ne chimbibe kia IEBC ase abori bune kiombe kyo tikebwana tikutwara nkwana chinde chonsi na barai korwa ase serikali kubwa muno chinga kiechiga obuchori obonene bwaberire ang'e kaukwano mugasorero nigubono anyare koerera buna kubwasi okumbobonete kwenekiwa ase amang'ana alionsi abonete gwikiraniwa nabo igokwene bune miroberi yanyare kubikwa ere eyo bwasi oku ocha gwikirania obochori obonene bw'omwaka bw'ekiri 2025 na chinga kecho boigo nigamochirie bunge asogotine kibuna yanyare gwetia budget isaine ocha ase ekiombe kia IEBC asokwerobereria obochori obo.
What a clever coincidence, Mr. Ethicon. How come and why does the tender document contain numerous provisions requiring IEBC to insert, specify or determine technical standards later, which stimulously imposing rigid mandatory requirements elsewhere, and how can bidders prepare comparable and responsive tenders where essential specifications remain undefined or internally contradictory? Why did the IEBC require a tender security of 30 million shillings while failing to disclose sufficient information regarding the quantities, commercial scope, estimated procurement value, or the budgetary basis necessary to demonstrate compliance with Section 61 of PPADA, and how are bidders expected to assess commercial risk under those circumstances? Finally, given that the Constitution requires procurement to be fair, equitable, transparent, competitive, and cost-effective, what safeguards did IEBC implement during the drafting stage to ensure that no manufacturer's proprietary, architecture, certification profile, or product ecosystem, including that associated with the middle systems, was embedded into the mandatory specifications in a manner that excluded otherwise qualified competitors? Kenyans should also be made aware that William Ruto's captured parliament has deliberately delayed the passing of the Elections Amendment Bill 2024 that contains provisions that touch on technology. Specifically, the bill proposes that the supplier of KIMS technology must grant IEBC intellectual property rights and ownership over the system. Senate
Mwangi Omurigereria Omuseneta bwa kaunti ya Nairobi Musikeri Sifuna oyo nainde ole murai ase gati ya burai ba egirombe ya Linda Mwananchi nikobono agendereire komocha omurai bwensi ya Kenya Musikeri William Ruto nabo igokorera buna bakenya wekira bono iga nigo bamanyete kirenga yensemo ya Linda Mwananchi buna nokugikiria nabo igokwamereria serikali ere avisi nabo igokweneke buna banyale gonchuriria oburai ase obuchori obonene bure bosio kaukwana kurase omochio Nairobi boigo Museneta Sifuna nigo bono anyare kwera buna nigo bapwato gosemeria buna serikali enyianeche yurakonye abakenya.
Mheshimiwa William Ruto knows he is going home, and the reason why he is going home is because we are applying the very same medicine he applied in 2022 to become president. William Ruto rode on the back of a slogan to become president. He was just singing hustler and the bottom up. Sisi tumekuja na yetu ya 2027. Nasema tu William Ruto one term. William Ruto one term. Nilisikia akisema ati the bar has been raised. When was the bar raised? When was the bar raised and by whom? Wewe uko hapo ndani kwa sababu ya slogan. Slogan ziliisha lini? Atuambie. Atuambie. Na ile kitu mimi najua Wakenya wameelewa agenda yetu. Ni yeye ndio mslow. Yeye ndio amebaki. Yeah. When we speak about the software issues of this country, a return to constitutionalism, a return to the rule of law, a return to equality, Kenyans have understood. We just have one person with a PhD, but he's slow. Hajashika, bado anakaa kituuliza agenda yenu ni gani? Nyinyi vijana mumeona, nilikuwa nimewaambia inauma sana, because I have been in your space. Umesoma university, umemaliza miaka 10, unatama kukitafuta kazi, alafu unasikia ati barua za TSC zinachukuliwa, badala wafuate mfumo wa TSC, barua zinauzwa. Waanza wanachukua wanapea wabunge, alafu wanauzia watu. Sasa kwa mfano, wewe kama umemaliza KU 8 years, 10 years ago, bado unafikiria ati kuna meritocracy pale kwa TSC, unangoja barua yako, na wamechukua mabarua wamepatia MPs, na MP mwenyewe anauza, na kwenu lazima muuze hata mpaka shamba ndio mpate hiyo 400,000 mnataka. When I talk about meritocracy, wa Kenya wamenielewa, imebaki mmoja tu na PhD ambaye ni mslow, haelewi. Yeye anakuja hapa Nairobi, anapiga sherehe, anaweka pale KCC kama hii. Kipindi ameita watu hapa ati amebeba mtoto waseme ati SHA ilimlipia. Mimi najua wakati William Ruto alikuwa anazungumza kuhusu mambo ya afya, alituambia tukipitisha zile sheria 3 ambazo alikuwa ameleta pale bunge, matibabu itakuwa bure.
Asengane yo museneta Edwin Sifuna no tugukorire kionga chinsa isano na ivere kurinde aiga ndoche si omurobere of vibes on vibes nigo nere DJ Creeper na voigo MC Wiza Crown wale stand by to vasogoska kendera kurigereria Getembe TV na gutubwatia ase mitandao yitu yekerero gutonyora buna Getembe TV voigo Getembe TV and FM chinkuru kwa Matilda Obaigwa Makori Wilson kurwa sebi manyererio nere Eugene kurwa ase studio ya kabere twara umugasombia.
Nyota Dry Cleaners niko bagusibia balingana kubase changa chao wekerano ngusibia bale chisuti chigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukurwa bidibia bana bikabiri by'abantabanene wigo mukuru bale obukoreri wa vacuum cleaning, sofa set cleaning, asechinga niko bagutuka imeyumu cy'ubusongo nyanjwa anene gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bukoreri bwa pick up na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisine ase namba 0742178765. Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.